out. Okay, now I will share my screen. Share. Okay, you can see it, right? All right, welcome to the Rook community meeting for November 12th. KubeCon is starting this week. A few of us will be there starting tonight. We'll get there tonight, then we'll be there for the main conference. Anyway, we'll go ahead with this meeting now and talk about the releases. The 1.14, we did have 1.14.12 a couple of weeks ago. I forgot to put the date in there. I think that was the same as 1.15.5, so it was on the 6th. I think nothing really critical to talk about there, just a few fixes that we had backported to that release. Yeah, I think those in the call at least are aware of those. So we'll go ahead. 1.15, same sort of thing. 1.15.4 and 5, I think released since our last time together here in this call. Just our typical releases. We did delay 1.15.5 a few days because we were having CI issues, but those were cleared up. And we were also getting in the pool placements feature. So happy to have that feature out. So thanks, Artem, for that. I don't know that I've seen any feedback on that feature, or Artem, have you seen any comments in Slack, or does it work? It must be working for you guys so far.
Yeah, I have not seen any comments. Yeah, speaking about us, so we have planned to test it next week, unfortunately. So yeah.
Okay. As long as there's no known issues, we're good. All right. And then 1.15.6 would be our next patch release. If we keep with the biweekly cadence still, that will be next Thursday. Just with this week being KubeCon, it was nice we didn't have a release this week anyway. We'll plan on that next week. And that's also good because the following week would be a holiday in the US. Nice to have the releases not fall on holidays. So yeah. The plan for 1.16 then. The thought is currently we'll create the release branch with the beta release on the 26th. So I think that's what, 2 weeks from today. And then do the release after the week after Cephalicon. We'll plan on the release. At least I'll be at Cephalicon. I mean, others, we could do the release while I'm out, but I think we all agreed that after Cephalicon is just fine. Any comments about that timeline? We're probably already in sync from Huddle. Yep. So with that, oh, I haven't linked the project board. I don't think the project board is necessarily up to date either. So here's 1.15. Wait, even have a 1.16 board yet? Yes, there's a 1.16 board. Okay. So we need to probably add our work items in here, whatever we're planning for 1.16. The holder pod capabilities, did we already merge that, Blaine? It's still in the review column here.
Yeah, I think this is already done.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure why that wasn't moved automatically.
Okay. Yeah, it says it's closed, so.
Okay.
Not sure why it wasn't moved either. Okay. Wait, I didn't just close it by moving it over to done, did I? Let's see. Oh, it did say it was not closed yet. So I think the PR merged, but this issue maybe wasn't linked to it. Okay, so it's done. Apparently moving to the done column does close the issue automatically.
I think it
Okay.
should be the other way around. Huh? Usually you would have the PR mention fixes and the issue number. Then merging the PR would close the issue and the issue would move in columns here, isn't it? That's how
Yes,
we
that
would want it to work.
yeah, I think that does work. We must have just missed linking the issue from the PR, so it didn't close automatically. But yeah, normally we have seen in the past it does automatically move from interview to done if it's closed. But okay, yeah, it's a reminder to get our issues tagged, whatever we're shooting for in 116. But probably, especially most of the things in I just linked the roadmap here. So these things we should probably at least put in the board. But honestly, traditionally, we haven't done a great job of updating the board just because we track everything directly in PRs and decide that when we merge it, what we're going to backport it to. So I don't want to be too strict about updating the board either. Any comments on 116? All right. So kubectl plugin, I believe there are a couple of PRs in progress for it, but don't have a timeline yet for 1.0 since we just haven't added or merged features for a while, as I recall. So we'll take that question next month. Maybe we're getting close next month, that release. And then if that's all for the releases, the only thing, let's see, it looks like we've got in the KubeCon or in the community topics this week is KubeCon. So Blaine and I will be there with Annette. We do have the Rook Talk on Friday afternoon. Last slot of the conference. Is it 4 p.m.? I was thinking it was 5 p.m. actually. Let's see. 4 p.m. Did that change? Or was I just rounding off to 5 o'clock in my head? Okay.
I wonder if it has anything to do with like time change.
Oh, I'm in the same time zone, but okay, great. 4 o'clock. We'll also have the Rook booth for the first half of the day. I should put those time windows in here too, if I can find that real quick. Yeah, and I think it's just Annette, Blaine, and I that will be handling the booth this time. And unfortunately, yeah, CNCF never added Josh to the talk, so otherwise he could have been there to help us with that. But they just never responded. Can't figure out why. Yeah, Wednesday we had the longest hours, and it gets shorter each day. Yesterday I tweeted from the Rook account about the booth hours and the Rook talk. I have no idea how many people see that. Supposedly thousands of people, but it goes off into the void, and hopefully we see some people there. Any other comments about KubeCon? You there, Blaine?
Yeah, I'm here. I don't have any other thoughts, I don't think.
Right. I guess pretty standard conference, nothing too exciting. Although I suppose at some point we should, if somebody has ideas about how to make these conferences more exciting for people to come talk to us or special topics, I'm all ears too. I'm not the one known for the excitement category, but maybe that's why we're all engineers, right? We need some marketing people.
Yeah.
Well, maybe Travis, maybe you should give some piano concert there.
Right?
That would attract a number of people, I guess.
Sure. Yeah, I'll request
Maybe
a piano for our booth next time.
You can be booked for the soundtrack.
Right. Great idea.
That'd be nice. But anyway,
Yeah.
I thought that these conferences were interesting, exciting to a lot of people. So are you saying that traditionally the Rook booth wasn't too overrun when you attended? Is that what you're saying?
Well, based on history, the North America conference the booth activity is not as high as the Europe. In Europe, more people seem to come and talk to us in the booth.
Okay.
So we'll see if that trend holds this week. But I'm not expecting a lot of traffic in the booth just because of that. But also another idea, I mean, in the past we've had more swag. I do have some stickers to bring, but we don't have free t-shirts or anything like they have in a lot of other booths. I think usually in the project pavilion, the CNCF projects don't have a lot of swag. It's more of probably the commercial booths where they have more.
Yeah.
But yeah, I guess that's where they have more budget is when the companies are paying for their booths instead of it being a project where we can't sell things. But anyway, not worried about it. Just if people have ideas, happy to hear them. All right, moving on then. Ceph releases, just a comment. I was just looking in the Ceph Slack to see if there's any releases in progress. I mean, the final Quincy release is in progress, but I haven't heard anything about a new Reef release or Grid yet. I think we're going on 6 months for some of these, so hopefully they can get them moving soon. Takes a long time these days. Okay, and then, I mean, the biggest really issue that we'd love a new Reef build for is that there was this ARM OSDs on ARM are blocked from running 18.2.4. Right now, we still have that issue in our project board. So, yeah. As far as designs, I think all of us in this call have been discussing designs and huddles, so maybe nothing to bring up here. Does anybody have anything they'd like to bring up for designs or other agenda items? Okay, guess we'll keep it short and sweet then. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.
Yeah, thanks,
And
folks. See you soon.
all right, and we just finished. Grav, welcome and goodbye. Did you have anything you wanted to bring up? Yeah, good timing. All right. Thanks, everyone.
Yep.
Stop
Thanks.
sharing.
Thanks.
Thank
Have
you.
fun at the
Bye.
conference, Blaine and Travis.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, bye.